Surface area and volume. Today we will study about solid figure, third solid figure, that is right circular cone. How will you find the surface area of cone? See, let us take a piece of paper of circle. This is the center of the circle O. If you cut the sector from it, when you cut the sector, so it's shaped like that. कटने के बाद ये ऐसा दिखेगा, right? This is the radius. This is the radius. This radius is equal to what? Slant height. This radius is equal to what? Slant height. Okay. When you touch these both radius, आप इन दोनों radius को touch करेंगे, it will form the shape of cone. जब इसको टच करेंगे ये सर्कल क्या बन जाएगा? ये सर्कल बन जाएगा. बेस क्या बन जाएगा? सर्कल. और शेप किसका बन जाएगा? कोन. So we have to find this area of this piece of paper. We have to find area of this region. इस region का अपन area निकालेंगे. That is a CSA of cone. ये क्या होगा? CSA of cone. So how will you find the area of cone? See here, we divide this sector in small triangles. See here, we divide this sector in small triangles and so on. इस तरीके से अपन इस ट्राइंगल को डिवाइड कर देंगे. इसका जो बेस ट्राइंगल का लेंगे, जो कर्व है उसको बेस मानेंगे. बेस इसका B1 लेंगे फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का, सेकंड का B2, थर्ड का B3, फोर्थ का B4, लाइक दैट B5. इस तरीके से अपन क्या लेंगे? बेस ऑफ सिलेंडर लेंगे, base of cone. Okay, so this is the length and this is B1, B2, B3, B4. This is the, so we know that area of triangle क्या होता है? Area of first triangle. ऐसे कितना पहले triangle का एरिया निकालेंगे? Area of first triangle क्या होता है? half base into height. Half base into height. What is base? Base is B1. And what is height? L. What is height? L. L is the height. Similarly, I will add all triangles. So area of all triangles क्या हो जाएगा? Area of all triangles क्या हो जाएगा? half base into height. half second triangle, half second triangle का base B2 है, height same रहेगी L. थर्ड ट्राइंगल का बेस क्या हो जाएगा? B3 and height is again L and so on. Okay, you take out half base common, half length common, half into slant height, that is height is common, B1, B2, B3 and so on. This B1, B2, B3 is what? When you fold it, B1, B2, B3 क्या बन जाएगा? सर्कल. सर्कल का क्या बन जाएगा ये? This B1, B2 becomes the shape of parameter of circle. ये क्या बन जाएगा? Parameter. So it is half into L into parameter of, ये सब जुड़ के क्या बन जाएंगे? Parameter of circle. So it becomes half into L into 2 pi r. Half into L into 2 pi r. 2 से 2 cut. So area of curved surface of cone is pi r L square unit. This is also called curved surface of cone. Curved surface of cone is pi RL. Now we have to find the total surface area of cylinder. Curved surface सामने वाला आ गया, CSA आ गया, pi RL square unit. Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area, it is pi RL plus base, area of base is pi r square. Now take out pi r common, it becomes L plus r square unit. So this is the CSA of cylinder, this is the TSA of cylinder. For finding CSA of cylinder, what we do? We divide the area of sector into small triangles, and using the formula of one triangle half base into height, We add all the triangles, we add area of all the triangles, take half into height common, b1, b2, b3. If you add all the bases, it becomes the shape of circle, and the shape of circle and the boundary of circle is a parameter of circle, and parameter of circle is 2 pi r. दो से दो कट गया, and pi r is the CSA of cone. Now I will take first question of this exercise. Exercise 13.3. Question first. Find the base of cone. Find the diameter of cone. You have to find diameter of cone, whose diameter of the base of the cone. The diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter, and slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its CSA. Find curved surface area of cone. CSA of cone. Now see here, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Now what is R here? 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. Now pi is 22 upon 7 into R. 10.5 पॉइंट हटेगा तो ये 20 हो जाएगा into 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 0 0 will cut. इसको इससे काट दीजिए. It will become 7 1 7 and 7 5 तो 22 into 15 upon 2 centimeter square. Now multiply this 22, 15 to the 30, it becomes 330 upon 2 centimeter square. It becomes 165 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of cone. Now I will take question number 2. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of cone. Find TSA of cone, question mark. If slant height L is given to you 21 meter and its base radius is 24 meter. Base radius is 24 meter. Slant height is given to you. Now TSA of cone is what? TSA of cone pi r bracket L plus r meter square, because unit is given in meter and meter. Putting the values 22 upon 7 into radius is r. What is the r? Length is given to you, and what is the radius? See in the book. Slant height is this, base diameter is d is 24, so radius is 12. So r is 12 meter. So putting the values, r is 12, slant height is 21 plus 12 meter square. So it becomes 22 upon 7 into 12 into 33 meter square. When you solve it, you will get final answer. You can solve it and you will get the final answer 1244.57 meter square. 1244.57 meter square.